Here's a cold start engine running video and interior options on a 2000 Tacoma. Just hit 78,000 miles on it. So we have, let's see, we have air here, all works as it should. We got heat, works perfect. AC kicks on and works as it should and goes perfect. Everything illuminates here as it should. I don't have the antenna on the radio, but the radio works as it should. I'll show that on. We'll put that on. Windows. Locks. Horn. I'll show all the lights operating. Smooth running engine. Show the AC engaged. I'll put that on. See it. Of course, I'll show the lights in the outside and back. It'll work as it should. Put the air on. Hear the compressor kick on. As it should. That's it. It's your engine running. Interior options. And when I do my driving video, I'll show you the radio on. I'll put the antenna on. That's it. Cool truck. Nice work here. It's beautiful.